Now Schmidt on the bottom. Schmidt lined in with Jason Tammer. Daniel Mosteller, Frank DeAngelis lined in as well. One outside wall, Jason Tammer and company. There goes Cmejla into the outside wall, spinning, and the costume away for the first time. Just got lifted up. Nowhere to run. Wow. And Marty Cmejla looks to possibly end his night with that wreck. A lot of damage to all ends. And now this is the older damage model. You can't just go out there and fix it. You know, once you get that much damage, your night is cooked. So for Marty Cmejla, that's going to be it. Let's watch again. Line over the 23. 23 right behind him. That's Max Steinmeier. We're going to see if Mac did anything wrong here. I mean, Cmejla's on the bottom. Lost speed, lost speed, lost speed, lost even more speed. You see Mac lifting and bam, man, they all hit the wall all simultaneously. Mac didn't really even make contact with the 39 of Cmejla. Watch this again. All four of these trucks just went right in the outside wall. And that's how quickly you can go from, oh, I can do a full throttle, then I can feather it, then all of a sudden you got to use those brakes. Nowhere for Michael Mitchum to go, and that's going to end his night.